Hello. Wait, where they go, sef?
Number 5. Number 5, Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Man. Where are you? I've been waiting for you since 7 o'clock. Where are you?
Sir, it's not like that. That's...
I don't understand. It's not like what?
My bad.
Can you deliver it? What?
My bad. I take full responsibility. Sir,
why is it taking time for you to deliver?
Sir, it's not what you think. It's not what you think. I've already want to deliver everything yesterday. What happened is that before I finish in my car, I swear to God, I even buy kerosene put so that I can make it, but the motor now jam. It just pack.
Jam what?
The engine body is spoiled now.
I don't understand.
I'm already on your seat. I will get to you soon.
Oh God.
No problem. I'll see you soon, sir. I see you. Auntie, please. Yeah. Buy butter bread. Auntie, have fun.
Oga, no peace for there. The person will get this house na soldier. He catch you first.
Auntie, thank you. Oh man, I will shop it in this morning. I beg, Auntie. You dey live for this area?
Yes, I dey live for this area. You wan buy bread?
I no buy bread. Calm down. I beg, I dey look for number 5 because I don't drive go up, drive go down since.
Oga, I don't know where number 5 dey, I beg.
You don't know where number 5 dey? Shebi you say they live for this area?
Yes, but I don't know where number 5.
They live for this area. I don't know where number 5. They say me talk say they sport. What? Say they live for this area.
Oh yeah, I beg. Come help me. Make I just put am for my head. I beg.
Make I help you.
Yeah, I beg now.
Shiri. Help yourself. Bible talk say heaven will help those who help themselves. Yeah. They live for this area. I don't know number 5. They will just kidnap you one day.
Excuse me. Hi.
Good afternoon.
Please, can you help take a picture of me?
Oh, okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
You want full or?
Yeah, full.
Okay.
Well, please, I want the house in the background.
Oh, okay.
My house.
Right.
And my car.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
I'm mad. This your phone is nice though.
Thank you. That's not
like
full. This one is okay. I see the full one.
Okay.
All right, not bad. Okay, I like it. But can you like make sure that the house is in the background?
Okay.
Yeah.
No,
Okay. I want to see the house.
Right.
Yeah, in the car.
Okay, let me take from the back. You want like back shots?
Of course. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. So the same angle.
Okay. Right. One more. Can you look this way? Yes.
Where? This way?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Help! Thief! Thief! Oh my God! Oh my God! Thief! Help! Thief!
Say! Come on! Come on! Say, give me! So, you still better. Auntie, hey, sorry, oh. Those boys, that's what they do for this area. Thank God they come the time where I cash and if not, now say you carry your phone go. If you want to sell the phone now, if it be 8.5, 11.5, now you go sell it. You don't see the marshal house, so I give her. Me say, Busi, na my mentor. Oh, no. You're welcome, you're welcome.
God bless you. I was so worried.
No worried. No worry. You don't see the blow I give her. As you did that, for where you go sleep, you don't wake up 2 weeks. Oh, no. You're welcome. Yeah, thank.
Bye.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
Sorry, my bad. I think there's a misunderstanding. Because it's like we have having a misunderstanding. It's like you don't know who is standing in front of you.
Okay.
Now me help you collect phone for a person who just steal Nana.
Yeah, and I said thanks.
I said test.
Yeah.
So what will test do? What will test do for general test I want shop?
Oh, I actually don't have cash on me right now. Sorry.
You are joking.
But thank you.
Yeah. You know why me abi? Hey, if I bite your nose, super glue no go fit hold am together. Oga, give me money, Joe. You know I risk my life for you. They tell me say test. What I want is test.
God in heaven will reward you.
Give me something, Joe.
Why are you being aggressive?
No, I'm not being aggressive because you are doing like a somebody that's not a woman being.
Okay.
Wait.
I don't come. I don't tell you. Now the guy be this. Today I tell you. Now you now.
Which guy?
No be you.
Be waiting now.
Now you, I know, now you. The other day, for Bariga, we person thief phone. For express, when they run, we put the control. One particular guy catch, I no be you.
For Bariga.
For Bariga.
Okay, when one person steal phone, na me collect the phone, no be me steal phone, no. Where steal phone, when person call they run after him.
Yes.
Na me run after him now.
I tell you guy, no
why I
be
catch him?
even last week for Lekki last week.
For Lekki under bridge.
Yes.
Na me. Madam, say you see. Me I be celebrity. Now wetin I dey do when I see kini, I'm a good Samaritan. Wetin I do good now, I wan turn out to bad for me. Say I call you.
No.
You know me before?
No.
You see me read?
No.
Ati, when you see somebody do good work for you, you are supposed to acknowledge.
Yes.
Oga, give me money, John. Thank you, bro. See, jeje, I just dey come. Now I see one boy wey collect her phone. That one just dey run giri. Now I just come down from motor, give am ta. I know say me I do martial art. So as I give am blow, bah! Now so he go down. He just dey pour blood. No, he no go down. He can't run away. But blood go anywhere where the blood go come out. They no burn away.
I don't tell you that the guy be this.
You know if you wake up for 2 weeks.
Now you can collect the phone.
Now me collect the phone now.
Now.
Auntie, I better do family with the go down.
Now make I arrest my guy now. Now make I catch my guy with his phone now. You don't catch me for Bariga. You know that. You catch for Lekki. You know that. Now I can't catch my own estate. Can't catch my boy. My boy with the do IT. You say that boy you catch my boy. And that boy they do IT. Because of you now the boy don't feel like it.
Okay, now you get that. Now your boy.
Now my IT student.
I don't know, bros. I swear to God, my bad.
You never see anything.
I don't know.
You that vigilante?
No.
What you concern
I don't know.
Now your phone?
Not my
So
phone.
you the time you say to thief na party.
No, to thief na good thing. Bad thing, busy bawo.
Why you don't come with thief if na good thing?
Na wetin I wan do before, but my mama come say make I go school.
Me no go school. I go school and I still be thief.
I go be thief. Okay. I go be thief. I go join you.
I know they learn left thief for old age. Why you don't join since we be youth?
I go join now.
I know the thief since when I be 13.
Wow.
And you don't feel like it because of you.
Boss, no vex. I know my bad. I didn't know. Even the phone I collect still here. Say, say it. Boss, please take the phone anywhere you go. Anywhere, just carry it, please.
Baby, you can have your phone, baby. You alright?
Thank you, darling.
Hope he didn't embarrass you.
He did.
He embarrassed
He did, yes.
Baby.
He needs to
Baby,
apologize.
beat him out.
A few moments later.
Yo! Yeah!
No, the shot for you.
Well, I know Shaggi.
Glasses fit me.
Yes, if it is, sir. Yes, sir. If you do.
Dash me.
I dash you.
Calm down. Calm down. See, I'll tell you the truth. Okay. Now kidnappers will be you.
No.
What be her?
Nothing.
I tell you, say we'll be kidnappers. We'll not be her. So no talk her.
Okay.
Now kidnappers will be. Understand? No make noise.
No problem. No problem.
Wetin I talk?
Cooperate. I go cooperate.
If you want to live, you must cooperate with us. Now, we know you know Obi Cubana, right? You are related to him?
No, I no related. I dey drive motor dey go distribute Odogu. I no related. Yes.
So you know him?
So Obi Cubana?
Yes.
Yes.
Why do you look me now? Maybe Obi Cubana.
No, I know him.
Good. Pick up your phone and call him.
Madam, he's not in the country. He have travel.
Yeah, he's what?
He travel.
I saw him at his club last night.
Aye. Now waiting I dey eat for my life with this. Not you where I hate teach me person dey like.
No, sir, I'm not.
You don't know say person wey like go become thief.
Become thief.
Yo, you know say person dey like go become
Yes,
thief.
sir.
You know?
Yes. He travel before. I don't know say he don't come back. I swear, I don't know say he don't come back. You know, he...
So my babe dey lie say self.
No, she don't lie you. He's back. For your wife to say he's back, he's back. Yes. He's back. Yes.
So you go call.
Yeah, I go call her. I go call her. Hello, sir.
Hey, hello.
Hello?
Hey, Oga, calm down. Is that Obi Cubana?
Hello, who is this?
You no need to know my name. Na kidnapper dey talk to you.
Kidnap what?
Kidnapper, that might be. I get one of your boys here.
Shaggi.
I get your boy Shaggi here. I been your brother, I been your relation. Yes. kidnap Shaggi. See, if you want to see Shaggi alive again, 100 million naira.
What? 100 what? Million?
100 million naira.
For Shaggi?
Yes. New money, oh, new money. You know that they accept old currencies again. New money.
What? How much is Shaggi worth? My friend, give him back the phone. Please, if you guys want anything, there's some Odogubitas with him in that place. You can pick some. Not all of them. Oh. Pick some and let him go back to work immediately.
Odogu waiting.
What is he saying?
You don't get money? Mo will collect Odogu bitters.
Bring it. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, exactly what he said. 100 million.
I don't have shishi. Shishi anywhere. I have some cartons of Odogubitas in the trunk of the car. You can take as much as you want and let him go and get back to his work. Okay?
Oh, okay. I understand the situation in the country is bad. So let's make it 50 million and we're good.
You think I'm here to joke?
Excuse me? Hello?
Can you imagine?
He cut the call.
No, baby, try again. It's network. Network is bad everywhere. Try again. What happened?
He just cut the call again.
Again?
Yes.
Crocodile.
Yes, boss.
Call our client. Tell him say fresh human head. The ground.
Hello. German. You don't get one fresh head, though.
Head with fresh.
Sir. Sir, please.
Just imagine. And his phone is switched off. My friend, take this nonsense away from me. Can you just imagine? You know what, Daniel? I don't want us to fight outside. Clearly not in public. So whatever it is you want to do about this thing, okay, if you want to cut off his head, sell it, please feel free and do that. But all I know is by the end of today, you have to come home with my share of the money. Please just get him out of my car and let me just go.
Baby, deal.
I'll see you later.
We're going to cut off his head. I will sell it, then you get your own share.
Out of here now! Out of here!
This.
Waste of my freaking time and energy.
Shaggi. Hope your name be Shaggi.
My name be that.
Shaggi.
Please, sir. Please.
I'm not making any property miss you where you go. Okay. I'm not making any property if you don't die. Wear around now, yo. You can wear around. It fits you.
Yes, sir.
It fits you.
It fits me.
Smile. I don't go be smile, now smile.
Now that they say smile, my smile no fine. Yes, sir.
Give Jesus a wiper. Just wiper. Oh, the last wiper. Crocodile. As they move, so any attempt on this guy's side to misbehave, cut his leg before you cut his head.
That's bad.
If you move, I move you. Oh, yeah, move.
Don't move. Yes, sir.
Move. Now they don't go bitters with this.
Yes, sir.
How many cartons they here?
Nah, 20 cartons they there.
How many days are one carton?
24.
24. How much? How na they sell a carton and one?
Thank you for that question. Carton normally na 8.5 we dey sell am, but now we dey do promo. So na 7,000 we dey sell am now. Well, for one na 500 now we dey sell am for one.
Now they do promo.
Yes, sir.
Now they do promo.
Yes, sir.
So if I want buy now, 7,000 you go sell give me.
No, I don't go sell for you, I decrease. Everything wey dey there na your own.
Get sense.
Thank you, sir.
So as your thing come be now, we be 20 cartons. Wait 24 days inside.
Yes, sir.
When they sell 500.
Yes, sir.
Altogether, how much be the money?
So everything together. That everything will be 140,000.
This guy, you know Buko.
Thank you, sir. I don't think I go better this guys. So I don't be the head boy for that time.
Okay.
So,
not lie.
Not true.
Now better this guys you go. Very good school, oh.
Thank you.
Many of my cousins, they go to school. Okay, 140,000 and I did for good.
Yes, sir.
That one good. We are getting somewhere. See, if we don't sell and finish, we don't count 140,000. Give me for hand. We'll come sell this your car. Do you hear me? We go sell this car. The money will take sell the car and the 140,000. We'll put everything together. I'll come carry and give Crocodile. Crocodile come carry and go give my babe. if my babe come talk say okay say she dey okay with the money, na be say you get luck, I no go cut your head again. But if my woman talk say the money no reach am, your head still dey go down. You dey hear me? You go be please.
No, yes,
you go be please.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
say if my woman talk say the money no reach, your head still dey go down.
No problem.
We are to business. Close this thing, dey go.
5 hours later.
Louder, louder, louder.
My Odogu bitter.
They don't hear you. Louder,
Odogu bitter.
louder,
Odogu rain.
louder,
My Odogu cold, Odogu day. Okay.
louder.
Bros, please, I don't tire. I beg now. I don't tire.
You don't tire.
Nah.
Me when they follow you since they waka. You sell 19 cartons of this product. You think I never tire? That money matter when they talk like this. Send this one carton when they made before you.
But I say I don't tire. I no go lie.
You don't tire? Talk true.
I swear.
Look at that. Yeah! Don't do this thing.
Odogu